How you Jammers doing out there? Welcome back to the channel. So great to see you guys again. Uh, Today we're playing. Oh, give me a minute. Okay, so today, guys, we're playing, as you see on screen, Angry Birds Star Wars Edition, Star Wars 2. Now, if you guys want to play this again, go ahead, hit the like button. Alright, let's begin. Let's see here. I guess I have no choice, but I could stay on the good side. Yay. Okay, we got Angry Birds. Haha, good joke, best joke ever. I don't know. Attacking people, and then we got them screaming about something. I don't know. Okay. Oh, they got abilities. Cool. So let's see here. We throw it, and then we tap it again. And, okay. Hooah! You died. You guys gotta hit that like button because I just smacked the person who's loving face. I have no idea what the crap I'm saying, dudes. Okay, number 2. Double kill. Guys, gotta hit that like button. Whoa. Yes. I got it good. Yeah. 2 stars! I should have got better than 2 stars. Okay, I don't know what that box is. Probably find out later. Let's keep going. Metal won't stop me. Oof. Okay. You have failed. Dude, you have failed me. Army. Alright. Level cleared. Oh, what's here? Okay. We got coins. Oh, didn't mean to hit that. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, there's the shop. Ooh, I got a box. Let's open it. It's the like button. No, it isn't. It's something else. I don't know what it is. The like button. What the heck? I have no idea what it was. Okay, another show or video. Okay. We got a weird picture. Okay. Lightsabers. One dude just freaking crap out himself. Probably pooped his pants. Wait, what's underneath his butt? Guys, it's the subscribe button. He pooped the subscribe button. Alright. The force push. Oh yeah, let's do this. The butt power. Um, that was so easy, guys. You gotta hit that like button. I'm a pro at this. No, better yet, you gotta subscribe, cause I'm good at this. Another chest. I don't know what that does. All right, on to number 5. Wait, what's this? What? Let's try the lady. What does she do? Okay, you throw her. Oh, she drags things. That's awesome. So, cool. Ah, that did. Fatality. Cool. He failed. Alright, what does he do? Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna try that right now. So I'm gonna go. Hua! Little dude, you failed. Little dude. Little dude, you failed. Alright. Let's. Okay. Let's open another box. There's another box. That was so easy. Another like. No, I'm joking. But I got even more guys. Okay, let's keep going. The push! Oof. Okay, let's see. What should we use now? Let's use the guy who's freezing. Okay, throw him. What? So you throw him, tap, he freezes everything. How is that even useful? Okay. Now this one, let's see here. Oh, he spins out of control. So he goes, like button. Really? You know what? I'm just gonna use the lady. Because she can know what to do. Hooah! Okay. Now let's do this one. What does this one do? Multiple. Okay. Okay. Maybe we might need this guy. Let's use him. Oh, we already killed him. We're good. And that dude, that frozen dude is still right there. Yeah. He's just chilling. Just chilling. Did you notice that you have that many coins? Chris, okay, yeah, I'm not gonna buy anything. A catapult? I'm gonna take his catapult and smack it. Let's see what it Goodbye. Wait, where'd it go? Oh. It went somewhere, but I don't know where. Cool. Let's go ahead and do this and push you up against the wall. That sounds so wrong. Okay, what's this one do? Alright. It goes through Wait, wait. Sure. Okay. Okay. Let's try one of the other guys. Alright. Okay, I know what that does. So you go. Yeah. Dead. I'm guessing the same thing with this guy, but let's just see. Yeah, same thing, pretty much. Hooah! Die. But he only does one. Okay, let's see the lady. Let's have her go. Bonk. She got her. She hit herself. Nope, we got him all. Okay, now, yes. Yes, sir. I have no idea what I'm doing. I want to know how to get those other levels. Okay. Just disguise him like, cannonball. You're all dead. That guy's protected. Let's see here. What should we use, you guys? Let's see here. Uh, what? Do, do you guys see that object? Interesting. Okay, used it. Okay, let's try some more to get some more points. Frozen man! Ding! Shouldn't he also freeze the water? I don't know. I'm just gonna get rid of this guy because he's useless. Yeah, he's useless. So we're done. Where the crap? What the heck does that ball do? Alright. Easily can go. Poop! That poop didn't work. Alright. Cannonball! Oh no! The bottom guy is done. Don't worry, guys. I don't got it, but I know what I can do. Go over and wait. Nope. I know how to get that guy. Will not even hurt himself. What are all these electrical balls do? Oh wait, no! I didn't notice you're alive. Stop laughing at me. Just stop laughing. Stop laughing. There. Now I got that guy. Now I go. Huh! I don't know why I sound so wrong. And I go. Hee! Still nothing. And then I go. Destruction. Okay. There's no one there, right, guys? Right? I have no idea why I'm talking like this. If you guys want me to play this game, go ahead and hit the like button, like I said earlier. And go, smack! I smacked the like button. Look, double shot. Oh! Wait, will it kill them all or no? Oh. Wait. They're all dead. They're not all dead, actually. Play. Go. There you go. Sing. Oh. Embarrassing, guys. I just smacked my face into the spoon. Spoon smacker? That sounds so wrong. Okay. These were like, what the heck? And two in the back are like, what the heck's this dude? And the dude press like, I got this. I have no idea. Okay, new one. Oh, he bounces. Okay, so I can just go. Bloing. And I hit myself and go. Whee! Okay. And they go. Hi. Where did he go? He missed. Okay, then I just go. I use poop to my advantage. Man, just guys, hit the like button. I'm so weird, I know. How many more levels to this? Because I don't know if you guys want it to be this long or not. But let's just see. Let's go. Hiyo. Oh, he's just resting there. Wait, I want to see what that puzzle thing does. Hiyo. Nope. Let's go. Hiyo. Okay, let's just do this. Hiyo. Boing. And miss. Okay, let's do this. Do you know how to get to that, guys? Okay, down there. Shoot up. I don't know how to get to that map. Do you see it, guys? Like right there? Like, edge or point in. Oh, or not. But you guys saw that. How do you guys do that? Maybe you guys have played this game before. Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know, I know. I know, I know. He's my last guy. Okay. Now I go. Yo. Now I go. Epic fail. You won. And you pooped yourself. I have no idea what the heck the other guy's doing, but what the crap? The dark side has been opened. Let's try the dark side. The dark side. Okay, got weird stuff going on. Okay, all different powers. Okay, shotgun. What? It's explosive? Oh, wait. Sniper shot. Boom. Everyone dies. Sniper shot. You're dead. Oh, it's a magnet. I didn't see that. Wait. Can I? Boom. Ugh. Okay, I won anyway. Okay, I won. It was good. Oh, another box. Yeah. No, but no. Okay, let's open the box. So what do we get? What do we get? What do we read? Okay, we got a trooper. I think that's a trooper. Okay, same thing, pretty much. So let's go. Okay. What's the scrappler? Oh, I see it. So I go like this. Yo. Or not that. Okay. I probably already know what that does, but let's just see. Oh, he's like a chainsaw. Same time with this one. Let's just go. Oh, it's his lightsaber. I never knew that. So I gotta go closer here. Yo. I'm gonna not try to hit that. Okay, let's do that again and show. You are all failing me. What is wrong with you people? Yeah, he's dead. Boom. Done. Got it. Last chance for what? What? I didn't see him. Boop. Okay, let's try this guy one last time. Hey up. Okay. Terrible. Just terrible. Okay. Why are you hitting the like button all of a sudden? Oh, he got someone at least. Okay, there's no one else here, right? Right? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes, he is. I don't know what I'm saying. Pew. It's a magnet who's trying to kill you. It's another magnet who didn't kill you. It's a mag destruction. Okay. How are you? He's alive for some reason, guys. Okay. He will win this. Okay. There's no one else here, right, guys? Right? Right? Okay, we got them all. I think I took a dump. I'm not so sure. I have no crap I'm doing. Okay, next 2 levels, guys, and we'll finish off there. Boop. Destruction. More destruction. Then destruction, and I killed myself. And you take a dump, and I boop. Ugh. Oh, I got another chest. Yay! I want some more. No! I want some more goodies. Oh, okay, got more goodies. Wah! Yeah, that's what this says. Don't tell me. Oh, he's ugly. Oh. He causes more destruction. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay. Rebel guy. Oh, he takes stuff. I didn't know that. So let's just go. Hi, yo. Wow. Wow. That guy is the most destructive. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Keep playing. Keep playing. Keep playing. Okay. Okay. One more, guys, and we'll finish off here. Let's make the last one the best. I have no idea what I did, so what? We're causing more destruction with these. Okay, and then take this guy, and I know what to do, and he's gonna shoot garbage at him. Pew pew. I'm just gonna use all these guys for more destruction today. For last time. Okay, and then just. Okay, he just took something. Boom, boom, dead. Okay, what's this do? He's gonna go. Boom. Oh, it's like a sniper thing. Let's go. Boom. Okay. One more. Cause most destruction this level. Bloop. Oh, it didn't work anything. No, I'm gonna. Okay. Come out quickly. Okay, guys. Just quickly. If you guys are all new to the channel, please subscribe, join notifications, become part of Jam Squad. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and check out the other videos, guys. Also subscribe, and yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in another crazy adventure. Goodbye.